So in this video, you're going to learn how to make a WordPress website step by step from scratch, and this does not require any coding. We're gonna make it with a free drag and drop builder, and it's gonna be really easy. Okay, we're gonna use free tools such as WordPress, Elementor, a page builder, and Astra theme. Everything's gonna be free, and it's gonna be step by step from scratch. So before I begin, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you watch till the end, I have a free gift for you. I have a bonus for you. So let's begin. So at the end of the video, you'll be able to create websites like this, or like this, or like this. You can create websites for your online business, for your blog, for anything. And in fact, once you learn this thing, you can sell websites as well and make money. The same thing, this is what I do on my part-time, where I make websites for other people and earn money. So before we begin, okay, so I want to explain you there are 3 steps. And before we can make a website which is mobile responsive as well, so you can use it for any device such as iPad, iPhone, any phone you could use, as you could see. So before we begin, creating a website involves only 3 steps, and it's really simple. And guys, I just want to keep it simple. I don't want to make it complicated. I don't want to take more time of you. Just go straight to the point. So here it is. There are 3 steps of creating a website. First is getting a domain name and web hosting. So basically, a domain name is google.com, yahoo.com. so that's gonna be your business name or your name. Okay, and one good thing I have is I have 70% off on web hosting, and you'll get a free domain as well. So the link is in the description, and it's 70% off. Okay, so that's the best web hosting. I'm gonna explain you later. The second thing is you install WordPress, and the third thing is we're gonna install a free theme and a plugin. It's a page builder plugin called Elementor to create your website. So let's begin, and it's gonna be all free. And if you want more information about anything, just go to my website yavarkhan.com. so basically yavarkhan.com is my domain name. So let's begin. So the link is in the description, and you're gonna get 70% off, and it's 3.95 per month. Okay, so the first thing is you need to get started. Click here, and I would always select the Choice Plus, because the reason is it has unlimited websites. So let's say you want to create multiple websites, that's the best choice you can have. They give you a free SSL, they give you a free domain as well. So you need to click over here. So yes guys, you heard me right, they give you a free domain. So you need to click here, click on select, create a new domain name. So I already created yavarkhan.com. so let's say I'm going to create test or something like that. My business name is next. So let's say it's not available, you can use something else as well. So I would always suggest always go with .com. So yeah, I've selected my .com. Once this is done, you need to fill all the information, and I would select 12 months, and I would select with security, because you don't want your site to get hacked. I would secure this thing as well, and this is free. And then you put your payment information and agree and submit. So I've already done that. So once you have purchased your domain and your web hosting, once you get an email confirmation, you confirm your email. Again, go back to Bluehost, click on login, put your domain name and password and login. Once you're into your dashboard, all you have to do is, once you're into your dashboard, click on my websites, and I've created a test website. Just go to login into your WordPress. So currently right now we are just going on the back end of the website. So that's on WordPress. So I'm just going to give you an overview of what is a back end and what it all consists of, and what's the front end as well. So basically this is the back end of the website. As you could see post. If you want to view your website, you could click on your website name and click on visit site, and this is your website right now. Currently we don't have any themes installed, that's why it's just looking white. In a while we're going to install a free theme and also a drag and drop plugin builder, and it's a free plugin. So first thing, I'm just going to explain you how everything works over here. This is your post. You could click and view your post over here. So you could see this is your post. If you want to make a new post, go back to the site. If you want to go from here, click dashboard, and then you can go back to the dashboard. You can go on post, you can click on add new, and you can type test, and this is the title, test post, test, and you can type anything what you want, 123 123 123. Okay, that's done. You can click, and there are a lot of changes on the dashboard. What you could do is you could see font size, you can make it large, you can make it drop cap. There are a lot of options over here. You could, very easy to do, just like Microsoft Word, but you can publish it, and you can say visibility, public, private. You can, if you want to publish it right now, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. And these are the tags where you could say, if my blog is relating to WordPress, I can type WordPress over here, I can click enter, the tag is added. I can just put publish right now. So I'm just gonna publish, and it's published right now. So if you could just click on view post, or you can just go back to your website and visit site. You could see it's a test post, everything is here. So congratulations, this is your first post and you have already created your website. Okay, so see, as you could see, this is your test post. So if you want to make a blog, this is how you can post. The second thing is I'm going to tell you how to create pages. You can go on all pages. So you could see there are all the pages on the website right now. If you want to make a new page, go over here, click on add new, and you can write test page, test 123 page, and then you can just publish, and that's it. So you have created your page. You can click view page, or you can go your visit site. You could see your test post, and you want to see your test page. This is your test page. Currently right now we don't see our test page because we need to set up our menu. So before we set up our menu, I would like to just clean up our WordPress website because there are a lot of plugins installed which we don't want. So we can go on plugins, select everything except Bluehost, deactivate it, and apply. Again, because now we have deactivated it, select everything except Bluehost and delete, because we want to make our website clean and not install a lot of plugins, because WordPress comes with pre-installed plugins. We don't want any of it. We just want the Bluehost plugin. That's it. Just refresh the page. Everything looks perfect. Now what we are going to do is make some settings and optimize our WordPress website for Google indexing and for Google SEO. So first thing what you come on settings, you can come on general. Make sure you need to change your site title. So let's say my website title is about teaching. Second, like teaching. My tagline is learn easily. Okay. And now I just save changes, and also you need to make sure Bluehost coming soon page is off. Okay, usually what does Bluehost do sometimes is they put the coming soon page on, and then once you create your website, everything is ready, you can switch it off, and then your website would be live. So make sure Bluehost coming soon page is off, and put your site title and learn and your tagline. So if I go and visit website, let's close everything. Okay, so now as you could see, it says teaching and learn easily. This really helps for Google SEO, okay, to rank #1 in Google. And yeah, so this is, you need to change your title, site title. And the second thing is, again, go back on settings, go back on permalinks. Now this is really important. Okay, so currently right now if I click on a test post, as you could see something on the URL, it says some number p is equal to 5. We don't want that. We want the blog title name. So just click on post name and save. Once you save the changes, go back to the website, and if you refresh, look over here, on the URL, see, as you could see, it's a test post. So let's say you're posting about laptops, or you're posting about cooking recipes, and your keyword is, cooking recipes. So make sure it's in your title and it's on your post as well. So this is really good. Make sure this is very important. If you want to rank #1 in Google, make sure you change the permalinks and make this setting. And now we are done with permalinks. Now I'm going to show you how to add pages and add it in the menu. So as we previously added a page and we currently go and visit our website, we can't see our page right now. We can just see our blog post, right? So what you have to do is go on appearance and menu. Okay, we can give this menu primary, create menu. So this is the primary automatically add. Okay, so if you create any new page, it will automatically add in the menu. If you want to do that thing much better, click on test page, add to menu, save menu. Once the menu is saved, go back to the website. As you could see, the menu is appearing over here. So now we have, how to add pages to your website, to add the menu. Now, so guys, give a pat on your back and congratulate yourself, because you know how to create a WordPress website and you know how to create pages and post. Well done, guys. I'm really proud of you. So just go ahead and do this. Now next is we're going to install a theme and make your website look really good, really sexy. So let's go. So first thing is themes. Basically, theme is like the skin of your website. If you're going to install, you could see there are a lot of themes, but what we could do is when you're on themes, add a new theme. So there are a lot of themes over here. You could see a popular or a latest, but we're going to install a theme called Astra, TRA, and click enter. And as you could see, it's over here. Just click on install. It's going to take a while, install depending on your internet speed, and activate. Once you activate it, you go back to your website, visit site. Okay, as you could see, something is changed, right? Your pages are appearing over here. Your website is now looking a little bit good, a little bit better, but you're going to make it the best. Okay, so now you have installed a free theme. Now for now, everything looks good. Okay, one post is here, another post is here. This is your sidebar. This is your page, what we created, a test page. Now what we are going to do is we are going to install a plugin. So these are already, so if you go on plugins, these are already installed. So remember, we deleted all the plugins, only kept Bluehost. Now you can go on add new, click over here, Astra again, and just click install now. Once this is getting installed, you need to click on activate. Once this is activated, click on see library, and remember, we are going to select Elementor. Okay, it's a free drag and drop page builder plugin. So select Elementor. Next. So now you get a lot of free templates. More than 1000 templates are over here. Okay, so as you could see, there are a lot of websites, but I'm gonna go on a blog website. It's gonna take some time to load because I can't see. Yeah, as you could see right now, I would say, let's say if you want to see this website, you need to choose which website you want, but I would go with, there are a lot of websites you could check, but I would prefer this one. Once you're over here, just press import site. Now it's installing, and guys, depending on your internet speed, it will take 2 to 10 minutes. So it just took me 1 minute 13 seconds, as you could see over here. Okay, and then click on visit website or visit site. So guys, as you could see, our website looks really beautiful. Okay, it's really beautiful and it looks very different. Now we're going to edit with Elementor. Just click, it's a drag and drop builder. So once you're on your website, click on edit with Elementor. It's gonna load. Okay guys, so Elementor is basically a a drag and drop builder. It's very easy. Okay, let's say you want to make changes, just click over here, write something if you want. If you want, write something over here. Let's say if you want to delete this, just click on delete. Let's say right click, delete. Okay, so you can do whatever you want with this. If I want, I could just delete everything I want. As you could see, this image, you click over here on the top and then go on style. You can delete the image you want, go on layout. So guys, it's really easy. If you press Ctrl Z, it's gonna come back again. So it's again a drag and drop builder. Just click on delete. You can go back over here, press this section, you can put a heading, again go back in this section. There are a lot of things. You can put a button over here, so you just have to play around with it. It's really easy. It's a drag and drop. You can add images over here and you can add video. There are a lot of things which you could add, but right now I'm just gonna make it really simple right now. If you have any questions about Elementor, don't forget to message me in the comments. I'm gonna help you. And it's just let's go. Okay, and also if you could click plus over here, there are a lot of pre-made templates already present. So as you could see, so let's say, and there are blocks as well. So I'm going to explain you what are blocks. So there are some blocks which are paid, so you need to buy the plugin which says GoPro, but there are some blocks which are free. I can just click view. This is how it looks, and just gonna press insert. And as you could see right now, this is done. You can change the styling. You can come on style, you can go on gradient, or just put the color, classic color. I'm gonna put blue. Okay, I'm just gonna make it a little darker. Okay, update it. I'm just gonna delete. I'm just gonna type over here WordPress. Okay, make it much more bigger. Okay, make it default size. No, I'm gonna make it large. Make it more Excel style. Come back, make this white. There are a lot of options over here, so you could, if you want, you could push it on the top, you could push it at the bottom, you can write numbers over here. For example, as you could see, it's moving down. So WordPress, you can add the margin, you can add a mobile menu, and as you could see right now, currently it's mobile responsive. So again, click over here, go on desktop view, so it's WordPress. Go back on style, content. So let's say I just don't want any of this thing, so you can just delete this thing. You can delete this. If you want to add, you can add a block, and then you can add a heading over here. So we can just drag and drop. We just drag and drop. Okay, I'm gonna type WordPress again. Just post this in the middle, make it big H1 tag, go back on style, make this text color white. So now as you could see, it's white, you can't see. Again, I'll click over here on the background section. I'm gonna go on style, classic color, make it blue, make it dark, and then update. So now if I go back on our website, okay, so this is how it's saving right now, and view page. So if I could view the page, this is how it looks. So I'm gonna make more changes to it. I can, what else I could do is click over here. I can put a section, go back again, and I want to put a button as well. So if you can't find anything, just type button, and there's a button. You can put the button in the middle. I can put this complete beginner's guide. This is the text editor style. I'm gonna put this in the middle, make this white as well. Then I'm gonna go back on content. If I want to do drop caps, you see the complete is drop, but it doesn't look good. So you just need to experiment, just play around with it. You can change the size as well. Complete beginner's guide. Go back over here, gonna style, text color, typography. Make it much more bigger. Wordpress. I'm gonna make it bold. Just a little. And remember, we did some setting over here. Go back over here. Content size is default. No, we can make it default. Text shadow, if you want to add some settings to it. WordPress looks good. You can do whatever you want, but then I'm just gonna keep it normal. Go back, line height, and just do letter spacing. WordPress. There are a lot of things, guys, you all could do. You can experiment. Column gap. Let's make it 0. Okay. Default. Click this button. So I feel I don't want the padding. I can just make it negative, make it small. Just make it small. Complete beginner's guide. For this thing, again, going back on advanced, you could do anything you want, guys. I can just the margin, the padding. Oh, everything looks good. Close this, go back over here, go on layout. I'm gonna make it full width, height, minimum height. I'm gonna make it a little bigger because I like something like this. Someone comes on the website and go back over here. Default info, success warning. I would say info. Let's say make a website. Make a website. And guys, you could link this. So as you could see, there's a link. You can add a link over here. So I can add my YouTube link. You can change. There are a lot of icons which you could use. Let's say insert. So you could see there's an icon over here, icon spacing. There are a lot of options, guys. You can style however you want to style. If I go back on typography, if I want to make a website, this looks good. And advanced, you can add effects, fade in, so it looks good. So update, so like the way it is if I refresh the page, yeah, so you could see the fade in effect. Boom. So this is how it's done. So guys, I'm not gonna take a lot of time. I think so. Editing and designing, it depends on you. For me, I take a lot of time to design and edit, but that's all right. Now this is done. Now we're gonna make some changes to our logo. We're gonna put some more menus over here. So best thing is go back. Okay, just click over here, exit to dashboard. Guys, our website is complete, guys. I mean, congratulate yourself. You know how to create a website. You could create a website for your friends. You could create a website for other businesses. You can earn a lot of money with this as well. Now this is done. Let's go back to your dashboard. So now the next thing we need to do is go back to, we are going to create some pages. So as you could see, we have home. Let's create an about page. So let's go back on pages, all pages, click on all pages. Okay, these are all our pages. We could go add new. Okay, add new. We're gonna add about page, ABOUT, about page, publish. We can go and view our page. This is our page right now. Doesn't have anything. First thing is, let's edit our page. So now we can just go edit with Elementor. So it's gonna load. Now the best thing is, go back over here, click on the folder again. As I told you, they have pre-made pages. They are the popular ones, trending. The best thing is click about. And as you could see, this is our about page. It's already made, so guys, you don't have to make it again. Insert. If you want, change the color, style. Now background overlay is different. You can change anything. So our website is blue. You can change the color. Looks good. The secondary color would be green, blue, or maybe you could just make it black. Make it light. Okay, save, update, and then just click over here, view page. For some reason this is not loading. No worries, guys. We can go back. If you want, you can go back over here. Let's make it much more easier. Close everything. I like to close. I like to keep everything clean. Okay, don't like this, delete everything. Our story, you can, as you could see, you can add a YouTube video as well. Our story, you can make some changes over here, make some changes over here. So you're done with the about page. Okay, now what we could do is update, go back over here, exit to dashboard. We'll create one more page called service. Okay, so you're into service business, you can create a page called service, publish. Okay, once you're published, edit with Elementor. It's gonna load Elementor. Again, you can build from scratch, you can drag and drop, but much better. Click on pages, they have already pre-made templates. You could just type service and boom, everything is there. So as you could see, it's GoPro. So guys, I won't suggest to go and buy it, because you could make on your own as well. The same template you could make on your own. So go back over there, find something which is free. So let's say this is free. Just insert this. And as you could see, boom. But I don't like the design style. Change the color. Okay, this is the image. This is what the image I want. Background overlay. You could add your own images as well. But background overlay, I'm gonna make it blue because my overlay is blue. Make it little light. That's it. Update. Let's add my image. I don't know. Let's see. Let me add my image. Boom. Boom. Insert image. Yeah. So attachment is default. Center right. You can just make all the changes you want. Custom position. I can make. Ooh, I could make myself. So it's not the right image right now, but could make it repeat or no repeat. Just make it default. Position, you need to choose the right image, but I don't think so this is the right image. I'm going to choose some other image. I'm going to use this image. I don't want to use girls. I'm going to use this one. This one. No, let's go this one as well. This is much better. You can just put your services. We don't need this thing, delete. We don't need this thing, delete. Right click, delete. As you could see, delete. Okay, so there's some experience. Let's say you don't want to add image over here, you want to add a video. Again, go back over here, you can add a video. Any of the video is done. So see, you can add a video, read more. If you want to add a button, there are a lot of options, guys. You could do anything you want. Okay, just gonna Don't waste your time anymore. Just gonna show you exactly what else you want to do. Just go back over here, view page, and go back to contact. So as you could see, your name, your contact form is already there. So I'm going to tell you how to set up your contact form. Go back on your dashboard. So remember, we install all the plugins. Go back on plugins. Now when you come on plugins, you could see WP Forms Lite. Click on settings. Go on all forms. This is the contact form. Click on edit. So as you could see, name, email, comment, name, email, comment. So if you want to delete this thing, you don't want the last name, or you don't want the comments, or if you want something like the guy's number, you could again drag and drop, guys. Everything is drag and drop, and then you could save, go back on settings, go fields. So let's say number, go back over here, refresh. You could see the number is over here. You can add the number, field options, first name, last name, everything, like it's just for this name. If you want something else, you want to add checkbox, you can add your own checkbox. You can choose options, first choice, second choice, third choice. If you go back on settings, general, notifications. So if send to email address, you can type your email address over here, and then you would get this email. And usually it takes the default email address, which is on your settings, general. You go back on general, this is the default email address. If you have some other email address, you could put the other email address. And also one more thing is, let's say you want to install this plugin somewhere else. You're on the form plugin, you could see this short code, copy this thing, okay, and then let's say you want to add, go back over here, add text, or what you could do is code. If you type shortcode, you could see there's a shortcode button over here, and then just put the shortcode, apply, and then as you could see right now, I'm just gonna update, click over here, view page. So I could see 2 contact forms. Okay, so you could install the contact form wherever you want. So now we are done. Now the last thing would be, again, go back to appearance menu, because right now as we could see, it just shows home, log, contact. Okay, so what else we could do is, we want to show our about page, we can just click over here, add to menu, you can click on about page, and then after about we can put the service over on top, and then we want the blog, and then we want the contact. We don't want this page, just remove. So if you remove, it's not gonna get deleted, it's just gonna remove it from the menu. This is the primary menu. Okay, make sure you select the primary menu, save the menu, and you click over here, boom, you could see all the pages are there. You don't want the test page, you're going to delete the test page. I'm gonna put the home page on top, add to menu, home page is there, save menu, and refresh. Boom, guys, I think so our website is complete. Now I'm just gonna tell you how you could make changes to the logo. It's really simple. There are 2 ways to go. If you just click on customize on top, okay, so you can go from the front end, or if you want, you can go on themes, customize. Okay, So as you could see, now these are all the options for the website. If I click on header, site identity, remove, okay, I remove the logo, I can add the logo again, site icon. So basically, let's say we can add some other icon. So currently right now I don't have any icon, so let's say, okay, let's go back. I have my website icon, okay, save image, downloads, saved it, go back over here, upload file, just push drag and drop, save. If you want to crop, skip cropping, boom, you could see our Khan is over here. So now I can save, publish. You can change the site title from here as well, go back. And guys, it's really easy, guys. As you could see, it's very easy. But then I'm not gonna change, just go back. Global, you can change the colors, base color, all the settings are there, you just need to play around with it. But I'm gonna just remove this logo right now, go back, publish it, okay. Site primary header, you can choose, I can put this in the middle, so the menu would appear in the middle, boom, okay, save. I like this one much better. So now this is saved, you can close it, or again if you want you can customize it. So there are a lot of settings. If so I don't want to make it a long video, but just gonna give you an overall. Go back on headers, you can transparent header, border size, bottom border, you could just, so you can click over here as well. As it says, display show social icons, I could say remove, I don't want the social icons. And much better, the more cleaner the website, the more better it is. So this is how it is. Go back, lot of options. So go back on menus, so we have selected the primary menu, so you can change the heading as well, so the heading text would change, but no, I would go with this one. You can change the size, everything from here, but I'm not going to change the size. The colors, you can change all the colors of your global website. Blog, everything's a global. Header, primary header, site header. So guys, you could make the changes any how you want. Anything is possible. You could change the colors, you could change everything, you could change the typography. I can't go each and everything because it's gonna take a long time. So let's say over here you could see it is mobile responsive. So now I could see on the tab it shows WordPress complete beginner, and on the mobile it shows like this. So as you could see right now, it's not looking big, so it's not looking perfect. So the best thing what we could do is we can make changes in Elementor. Okay, so we can make our website mobile responsive, guys. And again, remember, the simpler the website, the better it is. Don't try to make everything perfect, or don't try to complicate things. Okay, so let's say right now we click over here and click on tablet. This looks not good, right? Click over here. Okay, as you could see right now we are on the tablet section. You could make some changes over here just on the tablet. So see, as you could see right now, we can make some changes on the tablet, and it will only happen in the tablet. So if I click over here, it's normal, and then if I click over here, now it's getting much better. So I could click over here, style, and text color, typography. So come on typography, click over here, make it much more small. You make it small, yeah, and go back on content, just delete this and save. So now our website is really good on tablet as well. Now the last thing is on the mobile. Okay, so it looks really big. Again, the same thing you could do. Go back over here, go on typography, make it small. WordPress, complete big. Again, same thing. Style, typography, make it small, and boom. Same thing with this. Style, typography, make it small. I don't want to make it too big. And then if we want, we can remove the logo from, yeah, it looks much better. And then just click over here. Let's say you can make any changes, any style you want, and then update it. So as you could see, our website is mobile responsive right now. Save it, and we are done, guys. We have just created our website and looks awesome. And if you want to make any changes, I would just delete this. Later you could add. You don't have to be perfect when you create a website. Just start and make your own website. So as you could see, I go back to view page. Website looks really good, and it's mobile responsive as well. As you could see, goes on tablet. You can make some little changes to this thing as well. And this is how our website is created, guys. Also, one thing what we could do is again edit with Elementor. If you want to add a blog page, is go back. We can go back on dashboard, go back on settings, general, writing, grading. So our static page is home page and our post page is blog page. So wherever when you write a blog, it should always post on the blog page. This is the setting. When you save the changes, it's saved. And one more thing which you want to do is, if you want to add a blog, okay, select the template, whatever you want, click over here, blog. If you want to add a blog, it's really simple. So it's really simple, guys. You just have to type post, recent post, and see, as you could see, you could display anyhow it is. So your recent post is over here. If you want to make some changes to it, you can display the post date, you can display everything you want. So we have added recent posts. So let's say you want to add images with your post. Guys, it's really easy. There's a plugin as well, essential add-ons for Elementor. There's a pro version for Elementor as well. If you want to purchase it, you can feel free to do it. It has a lot of more functionality. You can add more sections, you can add more things, you can add more blocks. You can see all the features on their website, elementor.pro. A lot of things are there, but it's for $49. But I wouldn't suggest that you're using it right now. Once you create your website, once you start making money from your website, you could start purchasing all these plugins. But for right now, I wouldn't suggest. I would just refresh the page right now. I've just installed the plugin. I'm just go back again. It's refreshing, it's loading. As you could see, it's loading on the top. So now what I could do is basics. So you could see we have added this new essential add-ons. So as you could see right now, there are a lot of new things added. You can post grid, you see. So now this looks much more better, and you can update it, and boom, your website is ready, guys. You don't have to make it much more complicated. And congratulations for you making this website. So let's wrap it up. I know it's a really big video. If you don't understand anything, please feel free to comment on this YouTube video. And before I leave, guys, I have a bonus for you. As I mentioned you previously, that I've created a free crash course on WordPress, on how to make WordPress from scratch, and I'm going to give you more details about it. I'm going to give you simple tricks, and it's a very in-depth, simple, easy very short video on how you could create a WordPress website and make your online business. You can earn more money out of it. You can create website for others. The link is in the description, guys, and I hope you really like this video. And let me know if if you have any questions, guys, like, you know, something's missing, let me know. I'm gonna comment, I'm gonna make one more video for it. And again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Yavar Khan signing off, and as always, thank you for watching.